Through the GEP Global Supply Chain Volatility Index, we are tracking worldwide demand and suppliers' capacity to meet this demand through a monthly survey of 27,000 businesses. In January, we found that manufacturers' demand for commodities and raw materials spiked. This is a good indication of strong order books for the rest of Q1. In Asia, where supply chain has been at full capacity, we find it continues to grow, led by China, India, and South Korea. In sharp contrast, in Europe, which has been in an industrial recession for the last 2 years, manufacturers in France, Germany, Italy, and the UK decreased the volume of their orders, signaling weakness in the foreseeable future. Globally, our world supply chains are at full capacity. What was really interesting in January is Western companies did not increase their buffer stock on hand to navigate potential tariffs. But below the surface, what we're discovering is companies are accelerating their China Plus One strategy to navigate the uncertainty ahead. In the US, where manufacturing represents just 12% of GDP, companies are particularly worried about their impact inside China from any tit-for-tat trade policies. Please visit gep.com/volatility and download our full report. I'm Derek Creevy with GEP.